Hi everyone. In Google Analytics, you see in the Audience tab in User Explorer, here are the user IDs. This means this is the session of the user. Whenever you click this, you have all the information about this user. This user came and visited your website, like he was using desktop, he was using web, he came directly to your website, and all the data displayed here is according to this user ID. So this user ID is generated by the Google Analytics. So what if you want to change this ID to your custom ID that is in your database, or if you want to set this as a email address like abc@yopmail.com. So to do this, we need a view, and after that view we need a simple snippet code to place in the header or wherever you want to set. So whenever you log in or whenever you submit the form where you get the email address, so click settings, you need to create view. In this view you can create any name. After giving name, you should set this on and click create view. So after this view is created, after few hours this view will be enabled. So I have already set up these views. Like whenever you go to the user ID view 2, you will see in Audience tab User Explorer. So here you see these IDs are coming from my code, like I have customized these IDs, test email or these random numbers. Let me show this how I created this. So first you need to set up the Google Analytics, and after that you need to follow these 3 lines. Like you need to set your property ID, after that set user ID, you need to follow this, and this number, this email or this ID should be coming from your database whenever user logs in, or whatever you want to set this user ID. And third one is the send page view. Make sure this sequence is correct so that your code is working correctly. So after this, whenever user come and go to the pages, wherever he goes, wherever he visits your pages, so each and everything would be tracked by that ID, that session. And when user closes the session, the data would be presented in this form. So when you click this, you will see user came from mobile, he was using web, he came through organic search to your site. So these are the, like, he visited this page. Each and everything is displayed in the user ID in the customized form. So this is all about the Google Analytics user ID. Thank you very much.